All right, guys. Good and welcome. So I have this question from PCE 2004, question 22, where we are asked if arrow equal bracket open 1 4 3 2 bracket close and s equal bracket open 0 4 1 minus 5 bracket close. Find 3 arrow plus s. Now quickly we'll dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Then first thing first, we look for the value of 3 arrow. For value of 3 arrow, this is equal to 3 bracket open. We copy out a value of arrow is 1 4 3 2 bracket close. And this is equal to bracket open. 3 times 1 we have 3. 3 times 4 gives us 12. 3 times 3 we have 9. 3 times 2 we have 6. Bracket close. Having got a value for 3 arrow, we can now proceed to our value for 3 arrow plus s. So we have 3 arrow plus s equal bracket open, copy out our value for 3 arrow, which is 3 12 9 6 bracket close plus bracket open. Our value for s is 0 4 1 minus 5 bracket close. All these will be equal to bracket open 3 plus 0, right? We have 12 plus 4, then we have 9 plus 1, then we have 6 plus bracket open minus 5 bracket close, and we close our overall bracket. All right, continue with this, and we have equal to bracket open 3 plus 0 we have 3. 12 plus 4 gives us a 16. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. Then we have 6 plus bracket open minus 5 bracket close. This gives us 1. Or the same thing as 6 minus 5. So we have 1 there. Bracket close. Therefore, our answer is bracket open 3, 16, 10, and 1. Bracket close. Thank you.